Shenzhen Zhengyuan. Hello. Hello, we are Lightstrade.com. May I speak to Rita? Are you Rita? Oh, Rita, nice to meet you. This is for you. So we are Lightstrade.com and we would like to show your company and your product to the world, to the global.
Yeah.
So you might start. Thank you.
Okay. This way. We are professional OEM and ODM and LED drivers in our factory in Zhongshan. Yes. And our sales department R&D in Shenzhen.
Oh.
Yes. Our main product is business LED light drivers.
LED Lightstrade.
Yeah.
Power supply.
Yeah, LED drivers.
LED drivers.
Yes. Like this one. This is LED panel light drivers. Yeah. This is our hot sale product.
This is the hot sales.
Yeah, with high PFC and without low the flickers.
I can see your breaking rate is less than 1%.
Yeah.
High PFC.
Yes, the flicker is 1% and the high PFC. And also our warranty was 5 years.
5 years warranty.
Yeah, yes.
To show here, this is the input 220 to 224.
Yes, import is 220 and 240.
And this is the output.
Output current.
And the driver size is over here.
Yes, alright.
So this should be non-dimmable driver.
Yeah, actually we have 25 to 50 watt and 5 to 62 watt.
I can see.
Yeah.
So can our camera take a closer look at the certificate, the CE, CB, ENEC,
3C.
3C, TUE?
Yeah, this is our certificate.
And I see you also print it on the product with all the certificate.
Yes.
All right. Is there any other product that you would like
this
to show
way.
us?
This way. Here is also is a panel
For panel lighting.
LED drivers. This is with dummy.
Dummy remote control.
Yes.
Control.
Yes. Dummy control. Three color temperature adjustment and also the power. You can look here. There is adjustment of the power. 3 speed.
3 different temperatures.
Yeah.
Available.
And also here is the colors temperature. 3 colors. Yeah.
So what's the difference between this and this?
Here is the colors. Yeah. And here is the
brightness.
The yeah.
So this is brightness. We have 3 different brightness, 3 different temperature.
Yes, color temperature.
And I saw you with ETL certificate for this one. So this is for US and Canada market.
Yes. This model also is a hot sale in the market.
This ETL is CUS, both Canada and US, and it's
still trigger
0 to 10 volt dimming.
Yeah.
And mainly for the panel lighting, like this kind of lighting show.
Yes. And also we have another LED education LED drivers. These 2 models is hot sale in the market. This one is intelligent LED education drivers. Have the connect by the Bluetooth.
Oh, so this is a smart driver.
Yeah.
that could smart by Bluetooth, that could connect to the cell phone.
Yeah. Yes.
And remote control.
Yeah. Can download the app on the phone and connect by the Bluetooth.
I see.
Yes.
So this is also the product for the Europe market. So we can see the input voltage and also the certificate here. They have 5 years warranty.
Yeah. Yes.
And this is the size of the overall case.
Yeah.
The case overall size.
Yes.
So I think with this QR code that can buyer find you via this QR code.
Oh, this QR code is our company.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. About our company introduced.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we could take a close look at. This is the website of Zhengyuan.
Yes.
And also their R&Q department is in Shenzhen.
Yes.
And their factory production line is in Zhongshan.
Zhongshan. Yes.
Would you want to introduce us how big is your factory or how many production line do you have?
Oh yes, sure.
Yeah.
Our factory in Zhongshan have 6 line production.
6 production line.
Yeah, yes. And our company almost have 300 employees.
300.
Yes.
That's very big.
And our factory and office around 10,000 square meters in Zhongshan.
Wow, that's very big factory.
Yeah.
And you produce everything by yourself?
Yes, alright. We have our R&D department in Shenzhen and Zhongshan.
That's very cool.
Yes.
So our buyer, when you're available to come after the wires, you can come to visit either the Shenzhen department or the Zhongshan factory. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much for your introduction. Do you
Okay.
have any more you want to show us?
Actually, our company, the advantage for the quality control.
Quality control.
And also delivery date. Yeah, our delivery date almost around 12 days to 20 days. Of course, according to the different model and the quantity.
I
Yes.
see. Is any of the item you will have the stock?
Yes. Some. Yes. Some no end of the
Some hot
products.
sales item will have stock.
Yes. Because we have Alibaba online.
Oh, you have the
shop.
Alibaba platform.
Yes.
Okay, great. So when we just searching which name can we find you in Alibaba? Zhengyuan.
Yes. Zhengyuan.
So it's the pronunciation
Zhengyuan technology.
So you could find Zhengyuan in Alibaba,
Yeah.
and also you could go to this website.
Yes. Alright.
Thank you so much, Witar. Thank you for your introduction.
Okay.
So we hope to see you next time in the exhibition. Thank you.
Bye.